Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a screen recording in RecordCast, a web-based screen capture software with which you can create video screen recordings in a few simple steps. So I'm logged into my RecordCast account. In the top left corner, you'll see these two buttons. The second button is to do a screen recording using the built-in video editor, and I'll show you this option in a separate video. So in this tutorial, I'll use the top option. Once you click on this button, you'll see these three options. The first option is if you want to record both your screen and webcam. You can use this option if you want to record only your webcam. In this tutorial, I'll use this middle option to only record the screen. So I'll select it and then click Next Step. Depending on which browser you're using, I'm using Google Chrome here. You'll see this prompt to allow access to your microphone. Click Allow. Next, choose one of these audio recording options. I'll go with the default option and then click Start Recording. You may see this dialog box. Click Got It. Next, you'll see this dialog box with three options at the top. This first option is to share your entire screen. The second option is to share a specific window. And the third option is to share an active browser tab. I'll choose the entire screen option. I'll select it and finally click the Share button. You'll see this countdown timer counting down to 3, 2, 1, and it'll begin the screen recording. You can then navigate wherever you want to. For example, here I am on the RecordCast website. And then once you're done, click Stop Sharing. Your screen recording video will be saved. You can use this play button to preview the screen recording. You can click this re-record button if you want to discard this recording and then start all over. Or you can click the download and edit button. This will download the screen recording in MP4 format and will also open this built-in video editor, which I show you how to use in a separate tutorial. But as you can see down below is a downloaded video. I'm using Google Chrome here, but that's pretty much it. You can try RecordCast for free. Check the link in the description section. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.